the C axis to account for the altitude of the airplane. After it has taken off, it goes 390 meters west, 450 meters north, and 253 meters high. The graph has an increment of 10 centimeters for every 100 meter. So the airplane is going to go like this, and it's going to keep on going up and up.
An hour after liftoff, the airplane is 390 meters west, 450 meters north, and 253 meters high from its liftoff point. Assume the plane flies in a straight path. Calculate the speed of the airplane in meters per hour. Calculate the speed of airplane in meters per hour if there is 76 meters per hour wind going east. Calculate the bearing degrees going clockwise from north of both. Using the information given here, we will find the component form, which is negative 390 because it's going west, 450, 253 right here. Okay, this one right here is because of how high it's going, and just like how you find the magnitude of a regular vector, you do the same thing, but you just add this z over here, which is this one right here. Okay, and then you just plug it into the calculator. See, 253, and then you plug into the calculator, square root of all these squares, and you get 642 and meters per hour. Because the question says calculate the speed of the airplane in meters per hour, so you just find the magnitude. Now calculate the speed of the airplane per hour if there is 76 meters per hour going east. So that's basically just adding a vector that has 76 that's going 76 east, and you add it like here and you get negative 314, and we get with wind, this is the direction of the airplane with wind right here. Okay, and plug into the calculator, we get 604.2392 meters per hour with wind. Okay, so it was to calculate the bearing from here for the third question, and it's just going from the north all the way clockwise to the direction of the airplane, and then we get, so you could add this angle right here, which is tangent, which is inverse tangent of 450 or 390, make sure it's in degrees, and we get this plus 270, which is all this right here, and we would get 319.0856 degrees without wind. Well, now it says both scenarios, so we just put negative 314 instead of 390, and we get, and we put over here 314, and then we plug it in, and we get 324.0935 degrees with wind.
Go.
The plane is going 647 meters per hour, and with a 314.0856 degrees from north going clockwise. And that's only if there's no wind. But with the wind, it's going 604.2392 meters per hour.